racing side-by-side jet cars, whether they be money cars or dragsters, for some time now. You folks really are in for a treat. So around about sort of 8 to 10 horse, 10,000 horsepower. You'll have to replace the gear. Right, I'm going on. I'll do that, right? That's 3 points, the other one, so I took the line down and I was down a little bit earlier and I got through the bullshit, so I'm really doing a lot. Yeah, I'm going to say what's the win? Two miles down to the 8 mile. Well, what do you reckon to that, mate? Pretty good.